Are you feeling overwhelmed by the idea of improving your health? You're not alone. Many people struggle with finding simple ways to boost their well-being and make lasting changes. But what if I told you that small, easy adjustments to your daily routine could completely transform how you feel physically and mentally? You don't need a complete lifestyle overhaul to see big results. In fact, making a few simple yet powerful changes to your habits can lead to a happier, healthier you. Ready to learn how? Let's dive into 7 healthy lifestyle hacks that will leave you feeling more energized, balanced, and ready to take on the world. 1. Start your day with water. One of the easiest things you can do is drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. After hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and water helps jumpstart your metabolism and energize you for the day ahead. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C. 2. Move your body every day. You don't have to spend hours at the gym. Even a short 15-minute walk or a few minutes of stretching can work wonders. Physical activity releases endorphins, improves your mood, and keeps your heart and body in top shape. 3. Eat more whole foods. Processed foods can sap your energy and leave you feeling sluggish. Focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods fuel your body and provide lasting energy without the crashes. 4. Get enough sleep. Are you getting the recommended 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night? Poor sleep can affect everything from your energy levels to your immune system. Make sleep a priority, and your body and mind will thank you for it. Try setting a bedtime routine to wind down and ensure restful sleep. 5. Practice gratitude daily. Taking just a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for can significantly improve your mental health. Studies show that practicing gratitude boosts happiness, reduces stress, and promotes better relationships. Start or end your day by jotting down 3 things you're grateful for. 6. Prioritize mental health. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Take time to engage in activities that relax and uplift you, whether it's reading, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine. 7. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time, especially before bed, can disrupt your sleep patterns and increase stress. Try reducing your screen time by setting boundaries, such as no screens during meals or an hour before bed. Your mind and body will benefit from the digital detox. The secret to a healthier, happier you. Incorporating these habits into your daily life doesn't have to be difficult. Start small and focus on making one change at a time. These lifestyle hacks will help you feel more balanced, energized, and better equipped to tackle life's challenges.